get ready with me for work while I'm living out of my van. Now, this is really early. This is just when I first woke up. I wanted to get some video of the morning light, but then I laid back down to sleep some more. And then later on had my breakfast of yogurt and dates. Now I'm just here temporarily living out of my van while I'm working an event for 9 days. And for those 9 days, I move my location every few days. So I did want to show how I'm washing my face in my van now. I just started doing this, and I think it's quite brilliant if I do say so myself. I'm heating water up in my jet boil, not to boiling, but just to get hot, and then pouring it in this bucket to steam my face. The idea is to open my pores before I wash my face with the cleanser. So at home, normally I would have hot running water and splash my face. I don't steam it at home. But this seems to work out pretty well for me. It feels like it's really cleaning my face. And then later on, I just wash it off with cool water after brushing my teeth. And then I apply some ceramides or vitamin C serum, and then some moisturizer, sunscreen later on because I'm outside most of the day. Picked out my outfit and put my hair down that I haven't washed in several days. Don't tell anybody. And then I head off to work. So I'm pretty proud that I pass as a housed person while I'm working this event. So thanks for watching.